Multimodal AI, ChatGPT versus Gemini versus Meta AI. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, multimodal AI has emerged as a groundbreaking frontier, integrating various forms of data to enhance understanding and applications. Three prominent players in this field are ChatGPT, Gemini, and Meta AI, each offering unique capabilities and approaches to how machines interpret and respond to human communication. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has garnered attention for its robust conversational abilities. It excels in understanding and generating text based on user prompts, creating human-like interactions. What sets ChatGPT apart is its capability to engage in dynamic dialogues, learn from feedback, and adapt over time. The integration of multimodal capabilities allows it to process not only text, but also images, enriching its context and enhancing the quality of responses. This adaptability makes ChatGPT a versatile tool for applications ranging from customer service to creative writing, where nuanced communication is paramount. On the other hand, Gemini, with its advanced computational architecture, is positioned to excel in contexts requiring a deep understanding of diverse data types. By leveraging machine learning models trained on vast datasets, Gemini aims to interpret complex information across modalities such as text, video, and audio. This holistic approach enables Gemini to synthesize insights that might otherwise remain fragmented, offering users a comprehensive perspective that empowers effective decision-making. In environments where data interconnectivity is crucial, Gemini stands out as a formidable contender in the multimodal AI space. Meta AI brings a different flavor to the discussion by focusing on social interactions and community engagement. With its emphasis on enhancing human connections through technology, Meta AI aims to optimize user experience in social networks and virtual environments. By incorporating multimodal inputs, such as user-generated content and real-time interactions, Meta AI seeks to create immersive experiences that resonate with individuals on a personal level. This focus not only enhances communication, but also fosters a sense of belonging within digital spaces, making it a significant player in the realm of multimodal AI. In conclusion, the competition among ChatGPT, Gemini, and Meta AI epitomizes the diversity of thought and innovation in the field. Each model possesses strengths that cater to different aspects of human-AI interaction, bridging gaps in understanding and enhancing the overall experience. As these technologies continue to develop, their impact on how we communicate and engage with the world around us will invariably grow, paving the way for a future defined by seamless multimodal interactions.